Hey guys, so I've been testing out this 4-camera security camera kit for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and I've been very impressed with it. Right now I have just one in my hand, but there are 3 others set up throughout my yard. It connects to this app. You can see I have one of the cameras right here, and it's showing a live display on the actual app, which is really nice. You simply open up the app and you can pull up all 4 screens of each camera, and you can click on each one. Just do a double click, and from here you can pan, tilt, and zoom. It's really easy to understand. A really nice clean interface right here, and you can actually do some two-way communication as well. Each camera is equipped with a little speaker on it, and the really cool feature is this solar panel that's attached to each one. So once you have it set up, as long as you have the solar panel outside and facing somewhat towards the sun, this thing will never need to be taken down and charged. These are super sleek. I love how they're black and they look really nice and modern against our home. They do have 2 antennas and they have a really nice far range. It does come with this little base station that you simply plug into your router, and you also plug it into the wall. So just power it up with the power cord and plug in the single Ethernet and you're good to go. All you got to do to set it up is simply plug in the cameras to the solar panels, mount them, and then plug in this base station and go through a little 2-minute process in the app. It's very simple and straightforward to set up. These cameras are really nice too. I haven't had any issues with them at all. Super easy to install. Just use the provided screws and screw them on. Each solar panel does come with a little swivel mount that you can screw in there and angle towards the sun. But the app here is super nice to use. As you can see, a very nice, sleek interface, and they load really nice and quick. So there's little guesswork involved. All you really have to do is plug in the solar panels, install this app, and then create a password and let it configure to your Wi-Fi. Very, very simple to do, and you can save photos and videos in here as well. So overall, if you're looking for a really nice 4-camera security camera kit, this one definitely provides plenty of value and I highly recommend it.